You want to make $10,000 a month. It's the number that means freedom. But the advice you've been given is wrong. It pushes you down one of two paths designed for failure. On one side is the slow lane, the safe job. But let's be brutally honest about the global reality. It is a path of survival, not a path to freedom. On the other side, you have the gambler's lane, chasing trends, crypto pumps, get-rich-quick schemes. It's a direct path to burning your money and your hope. Today, we abandon both. I am going to lay out a third path, the path that operates on a completely different set of rules. It's not the easiest, but it is the most certain. This is the builder's path. All right, before we dive into the blueprint, a quick and important reminder. I'm an entrepreneur sharing the frameworks from my personal experience. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's get into phase 1, forging the weapon. I know what you're thinking. Give me the business tactics, show me the money. I will, but I promise you, if you skip this first phase, everything else I'm about to share is useless. Before you can build a business, you must first build the builder. You are the weapon. We have to sharpen the edge. For the next 21 days, you will adopt a non-negotiable protocol. Think of it as becoming a professional human athlete. This is the builder's discipline. First, 30 minutes of daily physical activity. A high-performance mind cannot operate in a low-performance body. Your ability to handle stress, to focus for hours, to make clear decisions, it is all forged here. This is non-negotiable. Second, zero mind-clouding substances. No alcohol, no weed. This isn't a moral lecture, it's a strategic command. As a builder, your clarity is your greatest asset. These things are the enemies of clarity and ambition. For 21 days, you will face reality raw. That's where your power is. And third, 60 minutes of dedicated learning. Not mindless scrolling. Active, focused consumption of valuable knowledge in your area of interest. Books, in-depth podcasts, expert interviews. You are loading the weapon with ammunition. Do this without fail for 21 days. It will be hard, but on the other side, you will be a different person. You will be sharp, resilient, and ready for what's next. With the foundation laid, we now build the engine. This engine is designed to do one thing: generate cash flow. It starts by acquiring a single keystone skill. A keystone skill solves an expensive, painful problem for businesses. Don't spend months agonizing over the perfect skill. The goal is to pick a proven one and achieve mastery. Examples include digital advertising, high-ticket sales, system automation, or video content creation. Now you apply it, but you're not just going to look for clients. You will make a strategic sacrifice. This is a concept from my years of building businesses that separates the winners from the hopefuls. You will find 3 to 5 people and offer to do the work for a drastically reduced cost or even for free. Work for free? That's insane. No, it's an investment. You are not working for cash. You are buying something far more valuable. Proof. You are buying real-world results, case studies, and testimonials. Our hypothetical designer, Anna, wasn't working for free. She was purchasing a portfolio that allowed her to escape the beginner trap and start charging real retainers. You trade a few weeks of your time for an asset, proof, that will pay you for the next decade. With a handful of clients, you'll be making money, but you'll be trapped trading time for dollars. This is the great filter. The builder's path requires that you immediately begin to systemize everything you do. Document your process, create checklists, templates, video guides. Turn your skill into a machine that someone else can operate. Once you have a system, you hire someone to run the 80% of it that doesn't require your unique genius. You graduate from being a skilled worker to being an owner of a skilled system. This is the only way to scale your income without scaling your hours. You now have a systemized service generating significant income. You've won. But now we multiply the victory. This is where the chains of trading time for money are truly broken. You have 2 paths. Path A, scale the service. Use your system to build a full-fledged team and become the CEO of a real agency. Path B, scale the knowledge. Package your proven system, your SOPs, your templates into a course or coaching program. The e-learning market is a $370+ billion industry. By teaching your proven method, you are tapping into a massive global trend. This isn't about selling a course. This is about leveraging the hard work you already did. You built a machine that gets results. Now you can either run the machine for more clients, or you can sell the blueprints to the machine. Both are valid. Both lead to freedom. Let's look at the path we've laid out. Phase 1. You forge yourself into someone capable of success. Phase 2. You build a cash-flowing engine based on a real skill and real-world proof. Phase 3. You multiply that engine to achieve true scale and freedom. Every step of this is a calculated, asymmetric bet. You invest a little for a massive potential return. You invest 21 days of discipline for a lifetime of strength and focus. You invest a few weeks of low-cost work for a decade of credibility. You invest the time to build systems to reclaim thousands of hours of your future. This is not a lottery ticket. It is a blueprint. It requires patience, it requires work, it requires you to stop looking for the shortcut and to start, brick by brick, building something that lasts. For years, you've seen the other paths, the slow grind, the reckless gambles. Now you see the builder's path. It's clear, it's proven, and it's right in front of you. If you're focused on building something meaningful, whether it's financial independence, a business, or a stronger version of yourself, then you know this is the only way. The path is clear. The question is no longer how. The question is if you will walk it. Now go build. Since you've stuck around till the end of this video, it's clear that you found this topic intriguing, and I think you'll definitely want to check out the videos popping up on your screen now. They explore even more fascinating topics in finance that might just challenge your perspective. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos that break down complex and foundational topics in finance. Thanks for watching.